Hey, so it's day 2 in Paris, and I'm actually already up, heading to the Eiffel Tower to take a sunrise shot. So I figured I'd take you guys along to see what that's like. Right now I'm walking through the main sort of mall to get there now. You can see it in the distance. Probably can't see it, but it's out there. Just kind of gotta believe me. But yeah, so I'm gonna go try to get some shots and get some footage. All right, so just an update. I'm almost at the plaza. That's the Eiffel Tower behind me. I came from back over that way, and the sun is starting to come up. So I'm trying to walk as fast as I can so I don't miss it. But I think I'll get there in time. I think I kind of know where I'm going already, so hopefully I'll get some good shots this morning. Wish me luck. Good morning, everyone. Hi. We are in day 2 of our trip to Paris.
Yep.
So we are in the restaurant, which is located in the hotel where we stayed last night. Amazing hotel, great staff. The GM, his name is Daniel. He's a great guy. Like, if you ever come here, please have a conversation with him. He'll tell you everything about Paris. He'll tell you the great places to eat at. He's just like, he's really in touch with the pulse of Paris. So have a conversation. His name is Daniel.
Yep.
We'll put his name in the link down. I don't want to pronounce his last name.
The hotel is called La Comtesse.
The hotel is called La Comtesse, and Sanaz has really enjoyed it here. We've seen the videos that we posted earlier. But yeah, so we're gonna, do you want to add anything to that, sweetie? Or?
We're gonna check out Champs-Élysées, Eiffel Tower, walk towards the La Défense, and then head into our Airbnb for the day. So we're checking out
So we're going to be walking around, checking out all the different sites and everything. So we just wanted to give you guys an update before we walked outside, because the Wi-Fi is only working here in the hotel. But once we leave here, yes, that's Danielle.
There's Danielle, our favorite person in the whole Paris.
He is so awesome. So
definitely stay here if you're ever in Paris. Come and check it out. We'll put the link to the hotel when we post this video, so you guys have it. It's perfectly located. It's convenient. The service is amazing. The staff is super friendly, and you'll definitely have an amazing time. And you can always request a room with a view. So, and that's never a wrong thing.
And we were in room 608.
No, 605.
605, and that room had a really great view.
Yep.
So, yeah. All right, guys. Catch you later.
Bye.
Alright, so we are transferring from the 8 to the 6 train.
Yep.
And it just so happened that we came across the same neighborhood we stayed in the last time we were in Paris.
Which was
Sanaz
5 years
picked it
ago.
out. Yeah. So you want to tell us a little bit about that?
So we stayed at the Hotel Grenelle, which is right in front of us.
Here.
And there is a really good chocolatier and bakery right on the corner right here.
Right.
Which is the best.
Right here.
Best pain au chocolat that you can have in the morning with a nice little espresso. And this is where we had our first trip.
Yeah.
So we're excited that we bumped into it by accident.
It's kind of like seeing an old friend again.
Yep.
Cool. So we are still walking in Paris. We're just trying to find a cool spot to eat in that's not too pricey. That's within budget. So not too sure what street we're on now, but the architecture is amazing. Look at this. Look at these buildings. Oh, so awesome. If I were to ever work out of the US, Paris would be my chosen city. Sorry, Prague. Sorry, Venice. You guys are a close second. But yeah, so we're gonna try to find a place to eat, rest our feet a little bit, and then we'll give you guys more details about where we find a spot, if we do or we don't. Cool. Oh yeah, look. Eiffel Tower. Right there. Alright. Catch you later. So we are walking to our Airbnb now in Montmartre. I believe it's number 12, which is right here. This is the street. I believe it's in this building. So we finally checked in to our Airbnb. So now let's give her water.
I was really thirsty.
And this is a beautifully designed space. We'll get more footage in the daytime when it's a little bit brighter. But look at that view. Oh, that's great. You can see all down the street. Great views, amazing views. Cool. So we're going to get some water, we're going to relax, and we're going to probably decide on what we're going to do next. But a lot of that seems like rest, because we've been doing a lot of walking today. So we'll give you guys an update then. Peace.